Unit 4 Star Review. Unit 4, Measurement. Let me guide you, step by step, through the Unit 4 Star test questions. The table shows the number of photocopies made during one day at each of the 25 schools in a school district. Which histogram displays all the data in the table correctly? The table shows the number of photocopies made during one day at each of the 25 schools in a school district. Which histogram displays all the data in the table correctly? A histogram shows bars representing numerical values by range of value. So, it shows how many schools make between 800 and 899 photocopies. 3 schools, how many schools make between 900 and 999 photocopies. 5 schools, how many schools make between 1000 and 1099 photocopies. 8 schools, how many schools make between 1100 and 1199 photocopies. 6 schools, and how many schools make between 1200 and 1299 photocopies. 3 schools. The answer is C. The list shows the numbers of employees in the 9 departments at a company. What is the range of the numbers of employees in these departments? Range is the difference between the lowest and highest values. In this data set, the lowest value is 3, and the highest is 54, so the range is 54 minus 3 equals 51. On Saturday, Kai gave his guinea pig 80 grams of food. The table shows the amount of each type of food he gave to the guinea pig. Which percentage bar graph best represents the data? The percentage bar graph displays the percentage of each subdivision. The length of each subdivision is proportional to the quantity it represents. The answer is J. Each child in the group was asked to choose a single favorite type of cereal. The table shows the number of children who chose each type of cereal as a favorite. Which statement is not supported by the data in the table? We can see that 3 of the statements are true and 1 is false. The question is which of the statements is false? The answer is F, since oatmeal is preferred by 30% of children. The dot plot shows the wing lengths in millimeters for 10 birds. Which statement is supported by the data in the dot plot? A dot plot is a graphical display of data using dots. You place a dot above a number on a number line to represent one data point. The answer is F, because 6 birds have wing lengths of less than 50 millimeters. A check register is a list of transactions in your bank account, along with a running balance that tells you how much money you have available to spend. Procedure. Start with the initial balance listed on your bank statement. Subtract the amount of any expense, payment, check, or withdrawal from the total, and add in any deposits you made. The answer is $535.25. Riley received financial assistance to pay for his college education. After he graduates, he will have to pay back the amount of money he received plus any interest that accrues after graduation. Which kind of financial assistance did Riley receive? Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do.